See, another favorite of mine is this one here. I like this one. This one's pretty. Okay. Let's do a couple little ones. Okay, so I poured this one and I glopped it. And it's really not a big deal because I'll just wait for it to harden up and you just pop it back in here and back in the microwave. So all your mistakes, you can just throw them all back in here. All these extra little pieces, they can get thrown back in here. All the drips and stuff, everything, it can all get reheated. If you break something, you put it back in here and reheat it. All right, so here's my mistake. They've hardened up now. And so I can just pop it right out, my oopsie. And so I can just pop that back in there and just remelt it. Okay, but we can go and look at the others now. These are all cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and take my gloves off because they're cool. There's no chance of me burning anything now. Although I have to tell you, like the little pieces here, they're shards, it's like glass. So keeping those on is good protection even when it's cool. Very good protection. So as you can see, that comes out. Just get rid of the extra pieces on the edge there. I don't know if you can see. I've got my pattern here. And you just kind of grab this guy, be careful, and pull him out. And I've got it also on the back. So you can see it. You can actually see it through there, and it's double-sided, which is really cool. Okay. And then for this one, hopefully I'll be able to get this. We just kind of want to ease it. Hopefully I can do it without busting, and I busted the other one, of course. They're kind of hard to get out. I break like every other one. But you can use the broken ones. You can still use this. This is the one that came out of here. I broke it. You still use it. You can put it against the side or hide it behind another one. So don't get rid of it. But you just push gently here. I'm pushing right here on the ends and in the middle at the same time. And I can see it coming right here as I push it. Gently push it out. Just keep turning and pushing. So you can see it starting to come out. You don't want to put pressure on it. When I put pressure on it, that's when I bust it. Okay. There we go. There. And then you take that out, and now I have a snowflake inside a snowflake. Oh, that extra. Now see these extra little pieces right here? This is where the heat gun comes in. I can actually melt those down, although actually it looks like I can just pull them off. But I can actually melt those down with the heat gun. Kind of press that down a little far, but that's okay. Very pretty. Okay, and then I've got my two-sided one here. And these guys, let me get this out of the way so you can see that. These are really bright blue. I'm going to remake these a lot lighter. I'm going to put just a touch of blue in and make some that are really light because this is kind of dark. These, you can kind of flex the mold a little and then tap, and they will come out. The silicone, they make, like I said, they make the mold out of rubber. Oh, it's out. Make the mold out of rubber, and it'll be a lot easier to get it out, but you can see how beautiful these are. And then one more. That one's out. I'm scared. I'm going to break it. Notice I have a towel down here. It's so I don't hit it against the counter. There it goes. Let's see. Beautiful. And you can see they'll go against our cake beautifully. They're a little bright. So I think I'm going to make them with just a touch of blue to make them a lot lighter. But let me show you something else before I do that.